Third Grammar, Chapter 2, Part 2. Topic is questions and worksheet is second one. Okay? Hello children. In our previous video, we have learnt about WH question words. In this video, we will learn some more question words. Okay? For examples, who, how, is, are, were, do and will. You can make questions from these words also, that I will teach you and show you by different examples. Okay, so get ready to learn. First of all, who. Let's start with who. Who question word is very common, because every day you are listening who word in your school and other way also. When the answer is the subject of the verb, then you can use you word to make question. Okay, you will not understand. Let me explain you by the examples. See, who is he? Who are you? Who is your best friend? So when you are asking question by who, you will speak the name of particular subject. Who is the main subject? Who is he? He is a boy, right? We are writing he is a boy because now we know this. Who means this boy. So the boy is main subject of the verb. The second one is how. How, ask about the manner and method. Means you will ask if you are in worry of someone, or you want to become sure that how the other will do that proper work. See the examples. How will you go there? Means you are worried, or you want to know that how the man will manage to go there. That side, opposite side, other side, how this man will go. Okay, so you want to know the method of this man, how that man will go other side. I am giving you second example also. How you will draw this picture. How are you? In how are you, you are showing your manner. Okay, how you will draw the picture means you want to know what is the method, what method that person will use to draw. How old are you means you are asking by manner. So whenever you want to know the manner or method, you have to ask the question by how. The third one is how to make question sentences using by is. You can see the simple sentences, upper side positive and downside negative also. First, for in my previous video, I show you the method, the formula. Subject plus helping verb, verb plus action verb. Remember? You have to use that formula in these questions also. Suppose he is a subject, is a helping verb, happy is a action verb. So we have to just do here and there jumble words. We have to cross is and he. So first we will put is, but remember is I should be capital, and then we will keep he word. Remember h, he will, his h will be small. That changes is required, that changes are compulsory. And then happy will be as it is, action verb will be as it is, and then compulsory you have to put question because we are making question sentences. He is happy. Is he happy? The pronunciation will also change with the question sentences. Downside the same way in negative. He is not happy. Is he not happy? Or isn't he happy? Isn't is a short form of is not. That we will learn later. In this slide, only you have to concentrate on upper side. He is happy. Is he happy? Only learn this much. We will learn many things in next videos also. The second slide is they are friends. Are they friends? The same way, subject plus helping verb plus action verb. They are friends. Are they friends? The next one, they were friends. The same way, were they friends? The necessary changes is required. Were will be capital and they will be small. Here also are will be capital, they will be small. That you have to remember. Okay. The next one, they have a car. They do have a car. Now we will use do. We will use do question word and then we will make sentence. Okay. Do they have a car? The same way, is, are, were, we made the sentences of questions like that way also we will make these questions. Do they have a car? First you have to write do D capital and they T small. At the end of the sentence, question. You have to remember the rule. When you will use have, you have to write do plus have, means do have. And when you will use has, you have to write does plus have. That is not necessary right now, just I am informing you, but keep in your mind only this much. They do have a car. Do they have a car? Only keep in your mind what changes are required. Okay. The last one, will you come to my home? Okay, this is also one example. Will you give me? You listen no, that I am using will first. In this slide, will you help me sort out these books? So all the will word I put first. We use will or shall for request and offer. If you want to offer something, will you drink coffee? Will you drink tea? Okay, this is offer. And if you want to do request, will you come to my home? Will you teach me this? Will you help me this? Okay, so these are request. So you can use will question word for request and for offers both. Okay, so will or shall both you can use, but maximum we are using will word in our daily life, in our all the sentences. Shall word we are using on rarely, sometimes. Okay, so in this video I'll taught you so many question words. Okay, children, understood all? So now you watch this video twice or thrice. Why? If you will repeat this, then and then you will understand this. Because any teacher can't teach you by video. In front of, if the teacher is there, then and then you can understand it well. But right now, according to the situation, we are teaching you by videos. Okay, so learn it carefully, listen it carefully twice or thrice, then you can write answer in your worksheet. Okay, till then, stay safe, happy, and Jai Hind to all. Goodbye. See you.